Os soniwch chi am Gymru wrth rai bobl, does dim syniad gyda nhw bod ni'n bodoli. Mae'r ffaith bod gennym ni yn iaith yn hunain yn agoriad llygad iddyn nhw. Maen nhw'n dwlu clywed o'r iaith yn cael ei siarad ac wrth ei bodd yn profi rhywbeth newydd a hollol unigryw. Mae helpu bobl i ddeall neu ddysgu ambell air o Gymraeg yn ffordd wych o ddechrau sgwrs. I ddechrau, dyma beth i bido gwneud.
I've just booked a taxi at reception. They've told me to come out here. Do you have a booking for Evans?
Yeah, right. Yeah, good.
Oh, lovely. Bore da.
What's that now, love?
Oh, I think it means good morning. I just read it up in my hotel room.
All right. Yeah, I wouldn't know. Nobody speaks Welsh round here. Hey, where to, Em?
Well, I'm hoping to do a bit of shopping. They've told me to start off in Newport City Centre, and then if I fancied it, to jump on the train and go to Cardiff to the new St David's Shopping Centre. Is that a good idea?
Can't stand shopping in Cardiff's far too far away. Hop in then, love.
Mae'n gwneud ni'n unigryw yn y byd. Mae'n rhoi syniad clir i bobl bod nhw wedi cyrraedd. Man gwahanol, diwylliant gwahanol. Mae bobl sydd yn ddi-Gymraeg ond sydd yn dod yma fel ymwelwyr, maen nhw'n licio clywed e. Maen nhw'n gwybod, maen nhw wedi darllen rhywbeth am y iaith Gymraeg a bod yn unigryw.
Mrs Evans, bore da.
Bore da, isn't that Welsh for good morning?
Right, yeah.
I just read it in my hotel room.
Or you could say Shwmai, which is Welsh for hi or how are you?
Brilliant, thank you. How do I say it again?
Shwmai.
Shwmai, thank you. Shwmai.
Where are we off to today, Em?
Well, I'm hoping to do a bit of shopping. They've told me in the hotel room to head to Newport City Centre, and then if I fancied it, to jump on the train and go to Cardiff to the new shopping centre, St David's Shopping Centre. Is that a good idea?
Great idea, yeah. Not a big shopper myself, mine, but the wife and kids love Newport. And I can't get them out of that new centre in Cardiff.
Oh. Oh, how do I say it again now? Diolch.
Diolch, yeah.
Os nag ydych chi'n siarad Cymraeg yn rhugl, dos dim ots. Mi fydd yr ymwelwyr wrth i bodd gyda'ch acen chi. Os hoffech chi ddysgu mwy o eiriau neu frawddegau, ewch i gael golwg ar ein hadnoddau ychwanegol www.croesocynnes.org.